Hello everyone. Have you ever gone to your local farmer's market, bought a lot of great produce, and not know what to cook? Well, if so, this is the recipe for you. Today, we're making one skillet chicken with fresh green beans and tomatoes. The best thing about this meal is it's made in only one pan, which means less cleanup. Remember, when you shop at the farmer's market, the produce you buy is fresh and in season. It's also the most nutritious and delicious, and you'll save money. So let's get started. To make this dish, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, fresh green beans, 1 pint of cherry tomatoes cut in half, olive oil, salt, pepper, Creole seasoning, 2 cloves of garlic. We'll need reduced sodium chicken broth, the juice of 1 lemon, as well as the zest from that lemon. Thyme, you can use fresh thyme or you can use dried thyme as we'll be using here, and balsamic vinegar. First, cut your chicken breast in half, and then go ahead and cut your cubes. Next, we're going to season our chicken cubes using our salt, our pepper, and our Creole seasoning. And we want to make sure we get that mixed up good so that seasoning is on all of our chicken. We're going to wash our green beans thoroughly. Start by cutting the ends of your green beans. And once you do that, go ahead and cut them in half. Fresh green beans, nutritious and delicious. And now we're going to go ahead and prepare our garlic. Cut the ends off like so, and we're going to crush it. And then that helps your garlic to come right out. And then just chop your garlic up. And we're going to zest our lemon by using a regular grater, and use the fine side of your grater, just the rind portion, because that's where all of that zesty, lemony flavor is. And when you're done, you're going to get just about a tablespoon of lemon zest. Now, to get the juice of your 1 lemon, go ahead and cut your lemon in half. Okay? And you will need a small colander, and just squeeze the juice. The colander is going to help keep the pulp and the seeds from getting in your juice. Now it's time to start cooking. Your skillet should be large enough and deep enough to fit all of your ingredients. Go ahead and turn your heat on medium-high. Okay, we're going to add our olive oil. We're going to make sure that the chicken browns on both sides. Gonna let it cook for 2 minutes. Next, we will add our garlic, our green beans, and our tomatoes. Gonna add our chicken broth. Add the lemon zest, the thyme, and the balsamic vinegar, and the lemon juice. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. It's time to check the temperature of our chicken to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to serve up our 1 skillet chicken and green beans with tomatoes. This recipe serves 4. To round out our healthy meal, we will serve this dish with brown rice and a side of berries and a dollop of yogurt. Now you know what to do with all those fresh green beans and tomatoes from the farmer's market. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.